Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund a customer QuickBooks Online step by step. If you're running a business and need to handle returns and cancellations, this is something you must know. So stick around till the end. Let's get right into it. First, open up the QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. Now head to the top left corner and click on New. From the drop-down, select Refund Receipt. Next, choose the customer you want to refund. If the customer already exists in QuickBooks, the information will automatically appear. If not, click Add Customer to create a new profile. Once the customer is selected, you can assign tax if needed and then select the payment method like cash, check, or credit card. You have also the option to add a new payment accounts here if not already listed. Now it's time to add the product or services being refunded. For example, let's say it's a weekly gardening service. Just enter the item quality or quantity rate and subtotal. If you're giving a discount, go ahead and apply that too. After that, choose the account you're refunding from, like your checking account. You can view the balance and even enter a check number if you're issuing a refund by check. Scroll down to add any notes or details related to the refund. This can help with the future reference. Once everything looks good, go to the bottom right and choose one of the options, Save and New, Save and Close, or Save and Send. You can also print out the refund receipt, review it, or even set it up as a recurring transactions if needed. And don't forget there are options to clear or cancel and the refund process if you want to start over. And that's it. That's how you refund a customer in QuickBooks Online updated for 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech problem solving solutions. Thanks for watching.